In a world where financial status often takes center stage, it's essential to remember that genuine connections can thrive regardless of a bank balance. In this video, we'll tell you how women can be drawn to you even if you're not financially well off. We'll share 7 straightforward strategies to make any woman miss you, whether you're in a relationship or just starting to connect. Let's get straight into it. 1. Don't contact her. To make a woman miss you, one effective strategy is to create some distance by not contacting her for a while. When you are constantly available and always in touch, it becomes easy for her to take your presence for granted. By stepping back and giving her some space, you allow her to reflect on your relationship and what you mean to her. This absence can spark curiosity and make her wonder what you are up to. She might start to think about the good times you shared and realize how much she enjoys your company. As she contemplates your absence, feelings of curiosity and even a hint of jealousy may arise. She might imagine you spending time with other women or pursuing new interests, which can create a sense of longing for your attention. This emotional response can be quite powerful, as it shows her that you have a life outside of your relationship with her. Demonstrating independence can be very attractive. It signals that you are confident and capable of thriving on your own. Ultimately, by giving her the space to miss you, you can reignite her interest and make her appreciate you even more when you do reconnect. 2. Show her you're still living your life. When a woman misses you, one of the first things she might do is check your social media. This is a natural way for her to feel closer to you, even if you're not in direct contact. If she sees that you haven't posted anything in a while, she might start to think that you're not up to much or that you're not enjoying life. This can create a sense of distance between you two, as she may wonder what you're doing or if you're thinking about her. On the other hand, if you share updates about your life, it can spark her interest and remind her of the good times you shared. Posting about your successes and fun moments doesn't mean you have to brag or show off. Instead, think of it as a way to share your journey and let her see that you're living a fulfilling life. A simple photo of you enjoying a day out with friends, pursuing a hobby, or achieving a personal goal can speak volumes. It not only shows that you're happy and active, but also serves as a gentle reminder of the connection you both had. When she sees these glimpses into your life, it can evoke feelings of nostalgia and make her feel more connected to you, even from a distance. In this way, social media can be a powerful tool to keep the spark alive and remind her of what she's missing. 3. Don't give in to attention bait. When someone starts posting attractive pictures or subtle messages that seem aimed at you, it's often a way to grab your attention. This behavior can be a playful attempt to see how you'll react or to gauge your interest in her. If you find yourself in this situation, it's important to think carefully about how you respond. Liking her photos or leaving comments might feel like a natural way to show you care, but it can also give her the validation she's looking for. By engaging with her posts, you may inadvertently encourage her behavior, making it seem like you're interested in what she's doing. Instead of reacting right away, consider taking a step back. By not liking her photos or commenting, you create a sense of mystery. She'll start to notice your lack of engagement and might begin to wonder why you're not reacting to her posts. This can create a sense of intrigue and even drive her a little crazy as she tries to figure out what you're thinking. It's a subtle way to shift the dynamic and make her more curious about you. Remember, sometimes less is more, and by holding back, you might just spark her interest even more. 4. Don't be eager. Be vague. When she finally decides to reach out, it's important to manage your response carefully. While it might be tempting to show a lot of excitement, doing so can sometimes give the impression that you are overly dependent on her attention. Instead of jumping in with enthusiasm, try to keep your responses calm and straightforward. A simple greeting like, "Hey, how are you?" is often sufficient. This approach shows that you are polite and friendly, but it also maintains a sense of balance in the conversation. By keeping your replies simple and a bit vague, you create an atmosphere that encourages further communication without putting too much pressure on her. This way, you can express interest without coming across as too eager or needy. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you show you care, but you also respect her space and independence. This balanced approach can help build a healthier dynamic between you both, allowing for a more genuine connection to develop over time. Create jealousy. In today's digital age, social media plays a significant role in how we connect with others. If you're hoping to spark some jealousy in someone you like, you don't necessarily need to date someone else to achieve that. Instead, consider sharing fun and engaging pictures with your friends, especially if they include women. By tagging a female friend in a post or sharing a snapshot of a group outing, you can subtly send a message that you have an active social life and that you're not solely focused on her. This can create a sense of curiosity and intrigue, making her wonder about your relationships and who else might be in your life. When she sees you enjoying time with others, it can trigger feelings of jealousy and make her realize that you have options. This realization might lead her to reassess her feelings for you. It's a natural human instinct to want what we think we might lose, and by showcasing your social interactions, you can create a sense of competition. Just remember to keep it light and fun. The goal is to pique her interest, not to hurt her feelings. By engaging with your friends and sharing those moments online, you can encourage her to think about what she might be missing out on, potentially reigniting her interest in you. 6. Nickname her creating. A unique nickname for someone special can be a wonderful way to strengthen your bond and keep your presence alive in their thoughts. Think about her favorite food, TV show, or color. These personal details can inspire a nickname that carries special meaning. For example, if she loves strawberries, you might call her Berry or Sweet Strawberry. This nickname not only reflects her favorite fruit, but also evokes a sense of sweetness and joy, reminding her of the fun moments you've shared. Every time she hears or uses that nickname, it will bring a smile to her face, making her think of you and the connection you have. Another approach is to consider her favorite TV show. If she's a big fan of a series like Friends, you could call her Sunshine after the character Phoebe Buffay, who is known for her quirky and cheerful personality. This nickname not only shows that you pay attention to her interests, but also creates a shared reference that can spark fond memories. By choosing a nickname that resonates with her passions, you create a lasting association that keeps you on her mind. It's a simple yet powerful gesture that can deepen your relationship and make her feel cherished every time she hears it. 7. Teach her something new. Women often appreciate when men share their knowledge or skills, as it demonstrates qualities like leadership and confidence. When a man takes the time to teach a woman something new, whether it's a practical skill like cooking or a deeper understanding of a subject like history, it can create a special bond between them. This act of sharing not only showcases his capabilities, but also makes her feel valued and appreciated. It's a way of saying, "I care about you and want to help you grow." This connection can lead to feelings of gratitude and admiration as she recognizes the effort he puts into teaching her. Moreover, teaching can reveal a man's character traits that many women find attractive. When he shows patience and enthusiasm while explaining something, it reflects his loving nature and willingness to invest in the relationship. These qualities can make him more appealing, as they highlight his ability to nurture and support her personal development. Ultimately, the experience of learning together can strengthen their relationship, fostering a sense of teamwork and mutual respect. In this way, sharing knowledge not only benefits her but also enriches their connection, making it a rewarding experience for both. Making a woman miss you isn't about playing games, it's about understanding how attraction works. Women are emotional creatures, and by following these simple steps, you can make those emotions work in your favor. Remember, the key is to be genuine and respectful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!